Okay, so now let's talk about the post-class activities. Recall when we looked at the calendar, we have pre-class activities that have to happen before class meets, and then we have these post-class activities that are due by indicated due dates. So this is my Wednesday class calendar because I have a Wednesday class, but I also have a class that meets on Thursday, so this calendar works the same way. There's pre-class activities, then the Thursday class meets in the morning, and then we have post-class activities that are due by indicated due dates. So let's take a look at what I mean by the post-class activities and where you find them. So once again, if we come to Blackboard and we look, say, under our first unit, voting theory, and everything falls out. Oh, it fell out. Fell back in. Thing falls out. And then let's go down to post-class activities for week 1. So after our first class, if you click here or on the arrow, you'll see these activities. And often the activities are just a review. So you might have a video that might review, that's what these first two are, what we cover in class. And then some of the activities that are assignments that are due by certain dates. So you want to make sure you look out for this due date. So this assignment is due Sunday following our first class. And again, if we just click on this assignment, you just need to kind of read the directions. You're going to download, and there's 2 problems that you need to do and submit your work for their problems. And the points are here. You have 3 attempts to submit this assignment. And sometimes the post-class assignments will involve you doing homework, online homework in something called MyLabs Plus, which is another website. So if you click here, all the directions are given here for how you reach this website by clicking on this link and reach the homework. And let me just demonstrate it for a moment. So if you click here, it's going to take you to something called MyLabs Plus, which some of you might be familiar with. And there's certain directions you need to follow to get to the homework, which I've listed there for you. Let me go to 1A. You're probably going to have to open this content in a new tab to be able to open the homework. And there's homework 1A. Okay, homework, come up. Where are you? There it is. Okay, so there's 1A, and if you've never done homework in MyLabs Plus before, this is what it looks like. You just click on it, and this over here is a video. Now you have to click on this video at least before the questions will open up, and there'll be a little green arrow if you've clicked on the video. I'm not saying you have to watch the whole video, but it might be helpful. But at least if you click on it, then the questions will open up. You click on a question, read the question, submit an answer. Sometimes there's drop-down boxes for the answers. You can skip to the next question or go on to the next question. Just put down an answer. So I could put an answer, let's see, let's just make something up. V, ask it to check the answer, and it'll say, nope, that's incorrect, and you get a chance to try it again and again. So that's how that homework works. And we can just leave this. And so see, if we come back to this page, realize that this homework is due about 10 days after we've taught the material. So it's due on August 30th, so you have some time. So there's 2 to do, a 1A and a 1B. So that's kind of how the post-class activities go. Every week there'll be some post-class activities that you need to complete in order to be successful in the class. And I just want you to watch out for due dates because they need to be done by a certain time, or then they won't be available anymore.